Welcome to Unit 3, Simulation Exam Practice and Final Simulation Exams. In Module 1, you're going to practice for the final exams. Simply go over the module overview, and there's going to be group work in this module. So please go over the requirements here. You're going to be doing group work for the writing task and for the speaking task. That's going to be really exciting, and you're going to benefit so much from your peers. After that, you're going to engage in a discussion board to get feedback on your essays, and then afterwards you'll have an essay practice exam. Let me show you where you could reach that here. Essay practice exam. That's going to be in 40 minutes. Your tabs will all close except this one, and the task will be submitted after the 40 minutes. All right. So that's going to be the essay practice exam, and afterwards you're going to have a speaking practice exam. You'll find it here when you click on this link. Remember to check the rubric before you take the exam. It really helps to remind yourself. Practice as much speaking as you could before the exam, and all the best. I'm very looking forward to seeing your enhanced replies, and I'm looking forward to seeing that glowing 7+ band score.